So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting on our GBP JPY. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. And also guys, make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what GBPJPY will be giving us for the day. Now, let's start with our trend. First thing first, you can see that our trend is uptrend move, right? Basically, before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. And you can see that this trend is an uptrend move. We are in an uptrend move, right? Now, take a look at it. It's right, guys. We had multiple rejection zone, which is a double bottom right here. Now, this is movement that market eventually give us, which is the high. This can also be seen as the higher low. Market eventually was able to give us one more push up to form a new higher high. And guess what that higher high did? It took out this previous high, right? Now we should be expecting what market to give us an higher low. So this is to tell you that we should be anticipating for a pullback on GBPJPY. So we should expect GBPJPY to give us an higher low. Once it gives us an higher low, then we can now anticipate for one more push up again that will form a new higher high, thereby taking out this high. So guys, I don't know what you would be expecting or what you would want to do, right? But we should anticipate for one more push-up GBPJPY that will form a new higher high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on our GBPJPY. Now, could there be changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes. Just in case if there's going to be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates and like and share also.